Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to write a CNC program for step turning using CNC train simulation software as well as in theory examination. Here is a diagram of initial diameter 50 mm and the total length of 90 mm. So it should be reduced in steps as 30 mm length with 50 mm diameter and 30 mm length with 40 mm diameter, and finally 30 mm diameter with 30 mm length and with a chamfer at its ends. So in CNC train simulation system, change the control type as Fanuc O turning and billet setting as in billet setting. Billet length should be 90 mm and billet diameter should be 50 mm as per the diagram given. Okay. Tool offsets. We are going to do step turning. So use left hand tool in tool number 1. Okay. In options, change it as double edit. Okay. Now we are going to do the write the program. G28 G00 U0 W0, which is used for the linear interpolation and initial position. And now we are going to call the tool. For that the code is M06 T01, that is tool number 1 is called at the position of X50 and Z0, and for spindle rotation M03 and at the speed RPM, that is 1500 RPM. Okay. Then the coolant should be on, so the code is M08. Then for canned cycle G90 is the code, so X50 Z minus 60 and the feed rate 0.2. Okay. Next step, the steps should be reduced to 40 mm diameter with 30 mm, that is 60 mm length. So X48 X46 X44, that is in each steps 2 mm diameter is reduced. So for 40 mm diameter 30 mm length should be reduced. So the X36 and Z minus 30 is used. Next X32. So next X30 Z minus 30, that is the final diameter is 30 mm with 30 mm length with a chamfer at its end. So for chamfering use code G05 and 0.5 mm reduction, so 29.5 and Z minus 5 and with radius of 2.5 mm. So with this reduction, so minus sign is necessary, and the initial position of the tool should be done. So U0 W0, then finally the spindle should be off, so use the code M05 for coolant of M09 and for end of the program M30. So change it as single headed and reset the program and give cycle start. The tool will reduce the as per the program. The 50 diameter, 40 diameter and 30 diameter with a chamfer at its end is achieved. Now the hint of program. By chance, the same program can be asked in your theory examinations. It is easy for you to write the CNC program for step turning. Thank you.